All right, guys, what's up? Here we go. We got eBay breaks for July the 31st. 2 breaks. The first break will be TriStar Jersey 1-box break number 7. And then after that, we'll have Immaculate 2-box break number 4. The spots for the Jersey break are as follows. Dee has the Rams and the Raiders. Kelsey, the Eagles and the Saints. Hunter P, the Eagles. Oh, gosh, I wrote that down wrong. Kelsey has the Eagles and the Saints. Oh, man. 1 second, guys. Shoot. Hunter P has the Jets. Jessica S with the Steelers. Eric G, Giants, 49ers, Bucks, and Redskins. Chris Stump, Chargers, Dolphins, Bears, Bills, Ravens. Joey T, Falcons and Browns. O'Malley, Patriots, Jaguars, Colts, Lions, Titans. Travis H, the Vikings. Jeffrey M, the Texans. Wayne K, Seahawks and Panthers. John L, Chiefs and Cowboys. Michael E, the Packers. Rick G, the Broncos. Joseph J, the Bengals. And Brian V, the Cardinals. Those are the spots for the Jersey. Good luck. About the Giants. Who took the Giants tonight? Eric G. Lawrence Taylor, man. Congrats on that. Nice hit. Always good to get an LT. Lawrence Taylor for the Giants. Nice one, Eric. Congrats, man. I'll get that sent out. Just a heads up, guys. I'm leaving early in the morning to go to the National, so this stuff will ship out Monday morning. Usually I ship the next day, but this stuff will have to wait and ship on Monday. All right, and now for Immaculate. Terry M, the Mariners. Todd W, the Cardinals. Philip E, the Giants. Eric G, the Mets and Angels. Nicholas with the Padres, Rays, Marlins and Twins. Chris Stump, the Red Sox. Galette, the Rangers and Nationals. Daniel L, the Pirates. Phillies, Dodgers and Reds. Trevor B, the A's. Matthew V, the Brewers. Hayes, the Yankees. Luis, the Jays. Martin Rose, the Royals. Selena, the Astros. Daniel E, the Indians. Donovan, the Rockies. Kent, the Tigers. Ashley C, the White Sox. Camden, the Cubs. Graham, the Braves. Those are your spots for Immaculate. In case any of you guys just joined in, didn't see the jersey, it was Lawrence Taylor for the Giants. All right, here we go. Box 1. /49, Reese McGuire for the Blue Jays. /49, Salvador Perez for the Royals. Frank Robinson for the Orioles, 4/25. /67/99, Dakota Hudson for the Cardinals. How about a 1/1, Brandon Woodruff for the Brewers. Check out that patch. 1/1 for the Brewers, Brandon Woodruff. And 22/99 for the Indians, Jake Bowers. 22/99. Are you kidding me? 27/49 for the A's, Jesus Luzardo. /99, Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. How about a Whitey Ford for the Yankees, 5/25. For the Cardinals, Ponce de Leon /99. /99 for the Tigers, Kristen Stewart. And Jake Bowers back again for the Indians, 42/99. And that wraps it up. Let's recap these hits from tonight. Jake Bowers, Kristen Stewart, Ponce de Leon, Whitey Ford, Contreras, Luzardo, Jake Bowers, Woodruff, 1/1, Dakota Hudson, Frank Robinson, Salvador Perez, and Reese McGuire. Appreciate you guys taking those spots tonight. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later.